Alright guys, so we're stopped at my brother's. We're chilling right now, waiting for him to come out. You guys still don't know where we're going yet. You guys won't know till later on in the video because I'm not telling y'all yet, just because that's how I want to be. Alright, so I hope you guys are ready for this video. Enjoy, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Peace.
What is that?
Alright guys, so we're gonna get space. Truck drivers. These truck drivers here. Both of these swerving like crazy, bro. Look at them. Swerving like crazy. Alright. Well, they're both switching over. Alright, we're gonna try and get past both of these guys. They're both swerving. Gotta get ahead of these guys, simply because they're swerving a little bit. I don't like being around all that stuff. FedEx. I don't know what they doing, man. We're over here chilling, cooling. Now we chilling. We got the coffee. Over here looking at some stocks, you feel me? Yeah. Let's go. Gotta keep them dividends. Gotta get them dividends going. Them dividends. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so we're here at the Turkey Lake Plaza. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're taking a restroom break because right now it is 10:54 at night. I'm gonna be off in about an hour at like 11ish, and yeah, we've been smooth sailing, chilling, listening to music and stuff. So I hope you guys are liking this so far. Not much has been happening. We've just been driving, and yeah, you guys still don't know where we're going yet, so you guys are gonna have to find out by keep watching the video. You guys better keep watching, drop a like, you gotta make sure you subscribe, comment down below, tell all your friends to watch the video, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys when I check back in with y'all next. Peace. Alrighty guys, so it is time check 1:24, and we are in, I think, Jasper, Florida, right before the border, Florida Georgia border. You already know. Loves got the whip. You already know we're chilling, y'all. But yeah,
the $2 right there.
We're chilling. And then yeah guys, I will see you guys when I check back in with y'all in a little bit. Okay, so guys, it is currently 4:08 in the morning. We're back at another Loves. You already know, we love the Loves.
We love the Loves, bro.
We love the Loves.
We love the Loves.
Anyway, so we're back at another Loves. They're probably gonna look at the surveillance and be like, damn, this kid's everywhere today. But anyway, so we're back at another Loves.
Face covering is required.
You gotta make sure you got the face cover.
Gotta make sure you got the
Chili's. The Chili's.
Cheers.
Go to Chili's, guys.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I'm about to go use the bathroom. Anyway, I'm about to go use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go to sleep until the morning. I'm gonna go to sleep until we get to what's it called? To where we're gonna have breakfast or whatever we're gonna do, because I'm actually kind of started to get a little hungry. But yeah, peace out, guys. Alright guys, so where we're at right now, it's currently 66 degrees, and that actually is not that bad. It feels really good right now compared to the Florida weather that we get. Guys, this is usually what we get. All of this right here, all of these numbers right here is what we usually get, and compared to that, this is amazing. This feels so like, yo, let's just live here forever, you know what I mean? Like, feels really good. Let me just turn on the whip again, and I gotta go all the way to the back. So yeah guys, now I get to sit all the way in the back seat. That's gonna be fun. So I will see you guys, like I said, when we get to where we're gonna eat breakfast at. Peace.
We're over because we were just.
Above the clouds. What the heck? We're above the clouds. Where we're down there.
That's the fog.
We don't care. Just say it. We're above the clouds. Yeah, look. Let him sleep. He needs to see this shit. We're videotaping it for him.
All right, guys. So my brother was talking about this whole AT&T, whatever call stuff. Guys, let's see what the actual temperature is outside. It feels. Oh, let's go.
What is it?
55. So, guys, this town out here is really nice. It reminds me of, if any of you guys are kids that actually walk through the living room when your mom is watching all those little Hallmark girl movies and stuff. Yep. Tell me this town doesn't look like a town from that. Like, it looks so like old-fashioned and stuff. I like it though, it's nice. Anyway, so we're up here in the mountains.
Like a scary movie, dude.
Shut up, bro. So we're up here in the mountains. We're about to get to what was the thing called? Bridal Veil or something like that?
I have no idea, bro.
Anyway, so we're going somewhere. We're gonna grab some breakfast because we are hungry. I gotta put the GoPro to charge once we get back in the woods. Peace, guys. Alright guys, so we made it to Bridal Veil Falls. We got the drone up there, the drone footage, we got the GoPro, we got Dad with the camera, Smoky with the phone, we got the waterfall. It is currently right now up here. It is, I don't know how cold it is, guys, but it feels amazing. Alright guys, so we just made it to Bridal Falls. What happened? Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to Bridal Falls, Dry Falls. So you guys will see. What? Yeah, we were at Bridal Falls. We made it to Dry Falls. So you guys will see why it's called Dry Falls in a little bit. Yo, you hear it like right here. You can hear it like right here. Alright guys, I don't even know if you can hear me, but you can hear the water from the waterfall like right there. That's kind of crazy. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me for any of this, but we're gonna be walking underneath the waterfall. This is crazy, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video already. Let's get lit. Woo! so we made it to Tail of the Dragon, to the base of Tail of the Dragon. There's a bunch of like older RX-7s here. We have a newer RX-7, well not newer RX-7, but an RX-7, an older one. So my brother's over here flying the drone. I'm out here trying to chase after the drone because there's this thing called the Tree of Shame, I think is what it is. So there's this place called the Tree of Shame, and it's of all like the car parts and all the like parts of people who have crashed on the Tail of the Dragon, which is right, oh wow, right here. There's so many parts. Wow, that's crazy.
Aguanta los dos.
Yeah.
He fell. The bike won't start, and yeah, I guess I'm guessing that he came around that corner way too fast. Oh, and there's his skid marks right there. You see it right there? There's the skid marks, and boom. Dang, that's crazy, guys. So
No joke.
no joke. Yeah,
Just
this is like what, the 10th turn? Not even.
we just started.
We just started. Anyway, I'm putting y'all on the dash in a little bit. I was literally gonna put you guys on the dash, and then this happened.
It was so bad.
And yeah, guys, hopefully he's good. Well, he's good, but then hopefully the bike, you know, hopefully the bike can get repaired. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. This road is no joke. If you come here, don't mess around. Stay safe, guys.
That's what I said.
Shit happens. This shit
What?
happens.
Dad, say it again. It happens. What?
Le pasó por pendejo.
Yo, he just did like 7. What happened? All right, guys. So we walk in, MTV crib style. We got the kitchen area. It smells very clean in here. We have the kitchen, a Google Home Pod. We got the fridge. Let's make sure there's nothing in it. Nobody left nothing. We chilling. Well, that's smart. They have a freshener in there. Nothing in the oven. We're chilling, guys. So this is one bedroom. Right here. Bedroom number 2 is right here. So guys, if you're wondering why I'm out of breath, it's because I just ran up the hill because I had to spot my brother driving up the hill, and yeah, that was kind of a struggle. I really like that design on the door. But this is the living room. This is gonna turn into my bed tonight. We have all this stuff here. Let me see if I can turn on this light right here. The light has to be somewhere. Sorry, guys. Okay. We got the lights right here. Nope. Nope. Alright, whatever. So, living room area. Steps up. As we go up, we have the pool table right here, and we got bedroom number 2, the upstairs bed. Very dim lights, hot tub. We got the bathroom here, bathroom numero dos. Pretty nice, guys. So last time we went on a trip, I actually didn't give you guys a tour of the cabin. So this trip, you know, I'm making sure that I do that. So I hope you guys did enjoy the tour and this whole video. Alrighty guys, so I don't know when my flash turned on, but I want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. My brother's out here looking for some bears or something.
We got bears out there, y'all.
I don't even know what he's doing, but whatever. So I just finished editing today's video, basically. Getting all the batteries and stuff charged for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing 3-ish hikes. We don't know yet, but, you know, sipping on that coffee. Gotta stay up, you know, editing videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.